Hi, my name is Daisy. Today I would like to talk about saving money. My focus is sharing my own experience and my goal, retire early. Why you need to save money? You save money for rainy days when you get sick, when you move out to another state, or you unfortunately to lose your job. The second reason to save money is to retire early, to do whatever you want to do. Yes, it is possible. It sounds so exciting, right? I believe all people know the importance of saving money. That's why I don't list the reason why we need to save money. The question is, how can we save money? You don't need to wait to have an income with 4 zero to start having a saving account. I only have a part-time job now, but I start learning investment and have the first saving account for 401k plan. Saving money is not difficult if you can sacrifice for temporary desire and think about the future when you are free to enjoy life, such as you should skip shopping so often you shouldn't have to go out to have dinner. My solution is divide into variety type of saving accounts, manage finance in own ability, conduct wise investment that require your practice and your persistence with your goal. The first body is divided into variety type of saving account. First, you put aside fixed expense you must pay every month, such as rent, tuition, grocery. These kind of expense you have to pay no matter you have job or you don't have job. The second type of saving account is you only save a tiny amount of money for unnecessary stuff such as clothes, shoes, bags, or cars. Second, manage finance in all ability. First, you only borrow or loan if you have no other choices. You can have student loans, but you shouldn't have a loan to buy expensive car or any item you just want to satisfy what people think about you. You research, compare, and buy the item you think that is the most bargain price. You shouldn't buy the item immediately when the first time you see it. I would like to introduce the financial independent retire early movement. It means people work hard, save money, do investment, then retire early. People avoid overspending and avoid depending only one income. The third body part is conduct wise investment. You buy books, join classes about finance to learn about the investment, to distinguish what is right and what is wrong. Don't put all eggs in one basket. It means you carry out the list of 3 or 4 investment portfolios such as real estate, mutual fund, or 401k plan. My summary. My method of saving money include divide into variety type of saving account, manage finance in own ability, and conduct wise investment. Retire early does not mean you stay at home and does nothing. I don't want you to look like a fat guy, sit on the sofa, watch TV, and eat popcorn. You're still able to work if you want to. Retire early is to do what you want to do without worry about earning money to make ends meet. You don't need to feel tired. You don't need to work late. You enjoy what you are doing as a career. You can have more time to hang out with friends and families. You take vacation, you go to gym, to cook healthy food. You can relax to have a cup of coffee and a piece of cake at the weekend. Success in your hand. Saving money as soon as you can help you to achieve those goals. If I can do it, you will be the same. The last one, you create your own destiny. Don't let financial problems ruin your happiness because you can control finance. Work hard but enjoy life at the same time. Be happy and keep smiling. Thank you for listening.